Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, Director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I'm here to share with you a fun design. I'm calling it Winter Whites. I know you're not supposed to do white after Labor Day, but for florists, winter whites are fabulous. The vessel, wonderful ivory white, filled with fresh water, already mixed with flower food. The mechanics, all going to be natural. No foam, no netting, just a grid of foliages and hydrangea, and then mixing in other white blossoms. The design will be all the way around with a central binding point. Everything will weave together. And as long as you place everything in with the central binding point, it'll be sturdy and hold well. I can do hydrangea, giving it a cut, and then dipping it in alum to give it that little extra boost to make sure it holds well. Alum, we have it online. You may be able to find it at your grocery store in the pickling department because it is used for making pickles. So again, it's just to give it a cut, dip it in the alum, place it in the vessel, and repeat that with the foliages as well. Floral is perfect, long-lasting. Breaking it down, giving it a cut, sliding through from one side across that binding point to the other. Maybe a little bit of aspidistra, helping to break the line of the container, and a little bit of Italian Ruscus, because I like to do 3 different foliages when I'm working in a vase. With the base weave established, it's easy to go back and add in additional blooms, and they'll stay in place. Beautiful white carnations, some white mini-carnations, so both the full size and the smaller. Soft white spray roses, just weaving in, again following the central binding point. Some Monte Casino, then repeat. Remember to bring some to the bottom, some to the mid, and some to the top. To update the design by adding in the on-trend dried and preserved materials also will enhance with a little more texture. Some preserved ruscus, giving it a cut, sliding it in, and letting it come out a bit so that it shouts over the top. Repeating that, bringing it around. A few of the preserved oak leaves. I've wired and taped them so that they have a nice stem. Just sliding it down in. With the wire, it's nice because you can bend it a little bit, let it help break the line of the container. And then continue, making sure that you have it all the way around to fill in. The recipe for this design, I started with the foliages. Italian Ruscus, Floral, aspidistra, 6 stems of each. Then I continued on with the 6s, 6 hydrangea, 6 carnation, 6 miniature carnation, 6 Monte Casino, 6 spray rose. Then lastly, 6 bits of the Italian Ruscus preserved and 6 bits of the preserved oak leaves. So everything's in 6s. Breaking the rules of no white after Labor Day is grand fun, and winter white, such a fabulous thing to work with. For more creative inspiration, check out the website at flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there, or pick up the telephone and give us a call at 503-223-8089. Now it's your turn. What are you going to create? Gather your favorite white blossoms, create. Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.